Right? Pretty safe. All right, let's get to it. JakeOfALL here. Do you know how many PACKOUT radios I've made by double-sided tape or sticky tape or epoxy or whatever? But a fairy sent me this. This is like our version 2 of the PACKOUT radio. Now, this is not your sandwich.
Christmas in July,
This is our Christmas in July, and it's not our sandwich radio, right? It's not the original one, but the original one has some problems. So we're going to get to unboxing this. But weirdly enough, I thought I was done being moved in. Don't know where my chainsaw is, but I got something better. I got an angle grinder, and I have glasses on, so... Right? Pretty safe. All right, let's get to it. I have here let's do it the right way. It's the PACKOUT compatible M18 tool only, right? 2956-20. Okay, tool only because that ends with a 0. This is called the M18 Bluetooth Jobsite radio plus charger. Does it have AM/FM? Does it have to have AM/FM to be called a radio? That was the first question that Jen asked me. Hey, if there's one of those coupons, you guys can have it. It appears as if you use an angle grinder, that it gets dusty inside.
I mean, if you're going to use it on the job site, a little, do they call that like, is that like lube for the job world? Like you're getting it dirty before you take it out
Sawdust? If you put sawdust on it beforehand? Yes. Lube. Oh my God.
I don't know. The correlation in my brain made more sense, but then it came out and here we are.
Okay. I'm going to start giving you some facts that I have in my head while I open this up and sort of try to get us. But did you know this does not have an aux input? There's 2 AA's. Okay, that's the PACKOUT part. That's ugly. That's hideous. Sorry. Okay, so we have our PACKOUT feet. And this is actually really cool. So the front 2 feet have a little rubber overmold embossed onto it, or overmolded onto it. They match like this, and that's what's giving us our, which I'm going to move in front of the camera closer.
The grip.
The rubber grip. She got the grip. Okay, and now that we're close, we have a 2-prong extension cord with a built-in cord wrap. I want to get this completely out. Okay, it is a nice flexible, let's zoom out for that, 6-foot cord.
That's fancy.
So this will charge an M18 battery and run off of it. We're going to try the charge first. Yes, I am absolutely
Milwaukee
using
Inception
and plugging this in. It just came on, and there's the light. We have an antenna.
I got really excited because I just saw it says AM, but I'm realizing that's time, and probably not.
Right, but it's an antenna, so what would it have an antenna for? Have you ever seen a Bluetooth antenna?
You know, I just thought about that. No, I have not.
Okay. Milwaukee has a feature. I threw the box. Where's the box? This is the new one, which will link. It does say AM/FM. It's called...
It's in the back, I think.
Audio Link. So this one supports Audio Link. The old flat PACKOUT one, the one that you could put in the middle of your stack. That one, and it's funny, I got a charge light. M18. This is the VAC link. This is the Bluetooth. No.
Oh boy.
AM, FM. It
Could
is a
listen
radio.
to NPR.
So the answer is, ooh, you hear that? So one of the reviews that I was reading online of the negative was that this was too much sound. It was too bassy and too loud. That was a review. So it does have a USB on the side. It does not have an aux port. That was one of the negatives. It has a more enveloping sound than the 360 radio, they said. But some of them said that that was also too much. Okay, taking my brand new radio apart, there's a screw hole that I want to look at.
Good thing you don't care about the warranty.
I think it's meant to come open. Because why else? Which is crazy because the M18 battery is... yes, it is.
So what do the AA's do? Keep the time?
Keep the time on the screen is my guess. So we're going to do that for you guys.
Volt.
What's that?
Better than a 9 volt.
Better than... I guess.
How many houses actively have extra 9 volt batteries laying around? Think about it, statistically.
I mean...
People have not been known to replace the batteries in their smoke detectors for years. So statistically speaking, somebody's likelier to have AA batteries, in my opinion.
So I was doing research on it, and basically the reviews came back that it's lighter. They kept saying clearer. The reviews I read was that the bass and the sound, it sounds like they're talking about sort of the 360, which the big radio, the Jobsite one that had the PACKOUT on the top and the bottom has obviously that advantage because you can top mount something on it. This one, it goes on to the side, and this is what's visible on the front of your stack. Somebody can come up, steal that, but there is plenty of room to have your phone underneath it and your USB charger going into that aux port. It is not a traditional 1/8 inch or whatever that is, 16-inch DIN, input. Okay, I'm going to put it on Bluetooth here for a second. I'm going to let Jen pair to that while I look at the other things. So, bass. Okay, so there's the bass boost, negative and positive. It's at 0. Treble, we are still charging. Okay. That's hilarious. That is not the song that we...
That is not the song, but I played less than 7 seconds, so we should be
But
okay.
Did you hear how much bass that was already?
That was
okay,
a lot.
do you
That's
have the one?
No, but I'm going to get that in a second. I'll get that one.
I figure, I know we're however many minutes in, I've been blabbing about a couple of the things, but we should hear audio. Max volume, by the way.
And it's on lossless on Spotify, in case that matters.
That's wild. Wow. Volume alert, by the way. Wow, okay. That's with the bass all the way off.
That's still a lot of bass.
So you want more bass?
I mean, I prefer more, yes.
I mean, I can feel this whole thing shaking. It's got beautiful sound. And just like the reviews that I were reading on it, they're putting this over the Makita and the DeWalt mainly because of weight, price, and the cleanness of the sound. And you did hear that?
I mean,
It's clean.
if one has to listen to Crab Rave,
Right.
it needs to sound that good.
So the old PACKOUT one was called the 50. This is the 56. That one had 360 degree coverage. It also was 23 pounds, and this is 17, so it's lighter. But this has a 200-foot Bluetooth range. So this is why it's winning against most of them. $279 to $250 is the price. It's, it's not cheap, okay? USB-C.
She's a beaut, Clark. Like, I
So
might
modern.
steal her from you.
No, I mean, the kids, like,
No. Like,
Oh,
they don't
you.
get to touch it. This is too nice for kids.
speakers on the back. As I said, it is 17. I wanted to make sure I was right. 17.8 pounds, whereas the flat one is 23. That one's just sitting in your stack. This one's sitting on the top of your stack. So this one has, I wanted to give you some of these crazy, like, what's in this. So two 4.48 inch woofers and two 1.12 inch tweeters. This Bluetooth is 5.3. The Makita and the DeWalt, the reason why, they were like Bluetooth 5 or lower. Actually, I'm going to double check that. Runtime, 8 hours on an XT50. Oh my gosh. So obviously with an XT80, you're going to go better.
They finally found a use for all those 5 amp hour batteries.
Oh my gosh, yeah, right. They just included everything with it. And
that would be hilarious. Like, buy one of these, get 6 free 5 amp hour batteries.
Milwaukee just tries to empty that warehouse. This USB port is an output. So this will also keep your phone charged while you have it Bluetooth paired. So you can plug your phone in, you can charge it, you can charge the radio battery if you've got it on here, or you can obviously run off this and then charge your phone. It's IP65, so one Reddit post was saying that they weren't getting the same water, but it honestly sounded like your mileage may vary, but also the problem is between the left and the right ear. Have you ever heard of that one?
Also
it's
known
you.
as ID10T.
ID10T. So, but other than that, reviews are like, everything's great except for it's bassy.
So my question is if that's on the top of your stack, like, is that going to rattle the ever-loving crap out of everything because it is so bassy? Do those rubber absorber shock grippy things help stop that? But then, like, are you going to have to tolerate all of those tiny little things, like, vibrating in your PACKOUT? Because that would probably send me off the deep end. Don't you have a screw one somewhere?
I mean, here's the thing. Like, I've got that PACKOUT, right? Oh, a screw one. Well, that's funny. Okay, here.
I mean, real world problems here.
So then you're going to need to bring the camera over here. You know what's really funny is this PACKOUT is absolutely in danger territory. Okay, so this is one of the PACKOUTs full of screws. Now, I'm going to leave this side uncovered.
Do you want me to bring the camera around?
And, well, let me see if it does it. Do you have Crab Rave?
Woo! Nope. It's playing something else because Crab Rave finished. Here we go, Crab Rave.
Okay.
Royalty-free music.
Hey, watch this. Oh, no, okay. Is this Spotify? Mm-hmm. Some Bluetooth, the skip next button also works as a fast forward. I tried it, it didn't. There is a clock right here. It's 12:10, but we are hoping that we could just fast forward a little bit in the song because there is so much.
Okay, so it's not that bad. I'm having like flashbacks of my car in high school and the amount of like vibration from the bass. And all I can think about is all the metal clanking around in there. That's not bad at all.
Let's try something.
You unplugged it?
So it's running, it was running off the cord, it was charging the battery, but clearly unplug it, it just switches. So you plug this in when you get to the job site, keep your batteries topped off. Let's go ahead and, okay? Proof. We're just gonna make sure it's showing that it's ready, the battery, okay? Right now, the charge light, the red up here is off. You can get a good view, yes?
Yep.
Okay.
Hey.
So I get the charge light, you get the charge light. Okay. I want to check for your guys' sake that this doesn't have one of those
Free tool codes?
free tool codes. I don't see one, so I throw it out, sorry. But, as always, I saved the manual. I'm going to try to at least
He's going to put it in the drawer with the
put
other
it in
ones.
the drawer with the other ones that you did make me throw out because you are
Didn't
available
make
online.
you throw
And
them
look,
out. I
look.
said we've moved them twice. Have you used them?
Do you want to get, here, where's the mic?
ASMR for the peel. Ooh.
I hope our editor, Mia, you rock, by the way, turn that all the way up for you guys. Okay. There's not much else to go over. A PACKOUT radio. Version 2, they're learning. They gave us what we want, which was more bass, apparently, and no aux port.
How many things of Zen do you think they can store in that?
There's no magical hole in here.
Welcome back to Horno's Hole. Now, if you're just...
I just said that out
love
loud.
you.
There's no magical cavity. That just sounds as bad.
There's no Zen holes?
There's no Zen holes. I could 3D print something. We don't have to make an adapter for it. Thank you, Milwaukee. It's got this molding, which is not that soft rubber, but it is different than the outside.
Tray on the top, so
Yeah, it's got, oh, yeah, you're right. So,
boom.
okay, I'll give you that. I like it. It is a great second. I never got the first one, so
I put my lighter there.
PACKOUT Fairy, there's a place for your lighter and your joints. Yeah, it's a full, it's got everything. I like the size. I won't say anything about that. I would rather have one put in my stack, but this would be a better beach one, and it's lighter. So really, it's going to be able to sit on the PACKOUT cooler anyways, and we'll just use a shoulder strap. So antenna folds away nice. Nice rigid handle. I like that this is that material that you're going to scratch and it's not going to look bad. Batteries, I guess that makes sense. Instead of having a built-in battery that just dies, it was easy to get to. Screwdriver, everyone that has a Milwaukee tool better have at least one DeWalt screwdriver. Milwaukee screwdriver. Cord, I've had a couple of these where you wrap them up and this never lines up well and it pops off.
They could have done like the vacuum cleaner, like retractable reel there.
They could have, but it's not popping off, and so that's good. It's a good product. What's wrong with it? Do you guys have any problems with yours? Do you have the old one? Do you have the problems of the sound that people complain about not being able to fill a room? That's what I've heard about any of the old ones. They have the audio link now, and the idea is that you can pair a bunch of these together, have one music sort, and the whole Jobsite. But people were complaining that the old radio wasn't even loud enough to fill a room. This one does get pretty loud, but you saw I blasted that, and this is a 3-car garage. On a Jobsite, is that going to be enough to fill it? Fill the room of the Jobsite. I want you guys, I need your help. Get into the comments, right? While you're in there, you're going to be on that little navigation screen. You're going to, right there. Yep, that was you. Yep. That's the subscribe button. That's the notify. Hit that on the way to the comments. Let me know if you have this one, what you think of it, or if you had the old PACKOUT one and what you think about it. And I need to know your social security number, your firstborn, your mother's maiden name, and any of that. Just put that in the comment. Okay, don't put that in the comments. We don't need you guys getting scammed. All right. That's not bad. I like it.
It was not bad for a why is this on my porch Monday?
Jobsite radio. It is a radio. It does have AM FM. So here goes the trash, and here goes JakeOfALL. Thanks for coming and visiting us this Friday. Thanks for tuning in.
Have a happy and safe 4th of July.
Oh yeah, 4th of July.
May you enter this weekend, and may you exit this weekend with the same number of digits and limbs that you entered this weekend with.
Make the only big booms be coming from your Milwaukee radio, or the savings that you might get, because I think Jen, as I go put this in the trash, is going to tell you about a sale.
Yep. I'll figure something out. It'll be listed at the top of the banner.
Yep. So 4th of July weekend, which means JakeOfALL and
we will be
3D Tech
out of office today, the day you're seeing this.
Yep.
But we will be back in the office Monday, and we'll be ready to start processing. You guys are buying me out of tanks.
But I
quicker
was
than I
asking
could keep them
you which sites are running a sale.
Oh, both of them. Both 3D Technologies and JakeOfALL. Haven't figured that out yet. Just finished my wake and bake. You are asking for a lot right now.
Right?
I love you.
Lunchtime videos have their advantage and their disadvantages. But for you, it's Friday. It's an advantage. You have not blown yourself up. You're not going to. You're going to listen to this on your phone paired to your Bluetooth Jobsite radio. So everyone will know about JakeOfALL. I got to go. Head over to the website. Keep cool. Get some misting kits. Or, you know what? Just subscribe and share with your friends. I don't ask for much. I got to go. See y'all.